Welcome back. We are doing today's lesson, level 1, worksheet number 3, and the number is going to be 61. So that'll be the number we're focused on. So now that this is in word form, we're going to write it in standard form. So you would just write 61, put this back. And then for expanded form, we know that it's the number 61. So we know that the 6 in the tens place equals 60. And we know that the 1s in the ones place equals 1. So it would just be 60 and 1. And then it's already written out in word form, but I do want you to still make sure you rewrite it just so that we're practicing our memorization. And then if we were to add to this number, like we were talking about in worksheet number 2, you can just take the number in the tens place, since we're adding 10, and just move up. So you just think what comes 1 after, or 10 more than 6, or the number that comes after 6 would be 7. And then just keep the number in the ones place the same. And if we were to subtract, we would have to make sure we remember, very similar to last time, 5 is bigger than 1. So you're not going to be able to subtract. You can't have 1 candy and take away 5. So you're going to need to come over to this tens place, the 6, make it a 5. Now in the ones place, make that an 11. So now we have 11 minus 5, which equals 6, and 5 minus 0, which equals 5. So our answer comes out to 56. All right, comparing them, think about a number that is larger than 61, greater than today's number. So that can be 62. That can be, maybe practice some of your fun fractions if you want. 62.5. And then anything smaller, you could have 60. You could think what would be half smaller than 61.5. So 60.5. You can do negative 61. And then if you're waiting for the secret word for this one is going to be crocodile. So kind of like our first one if you were around for that, but crocodile. And then finally on the back, just make sure it's solvable by a fellow student. If your teacher gives you enough time after you create your word problem, maybe find a friend that can sit and solve it. All right. Have a great rest of your day. Make it a great rest of your day. See you next time.